In an old, dust-covered shed behind the house I just bought on the outskirts of Trenton, New Jersey, I found something no one ever mentioned. Under inches of thick dust, beneath a rotted tarp, lay the silhouette of a legend that had been asleep for more than 4 decades. A 1948 Plymouth P15C Special Deluxe. No paperwork, no keys, no notes, just silence, and the feeling that I had just awakened a metal soul that had slept far too long. Does this 76-year-old machine still have any life left in it? Or is it nothing more than a steel memory on the edge of disappearing? After checking it over, clearing out the trash, and blowing off decades of dust, I decided to do something very few people would dare. A full restoration of the 1948 Plymouth P15C Special Deluxe. Can a car forgotten for over 40 years return to the road and travel miles once again? Follow along. This journey is just beginning. The Plymouth is now free of the trash, dust, and grime it collected over 40 years. As for the engine, I'm inspecting every piece and doing everything I can to bring it back to life. What do you think I should do with this legend? Give it more power, or keep its classic soul intact? Drop your thoughts, I'd love to hear them. See you in the next episode, where this 1948 beauty is really going to come alive.